Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy Note 10 with a broken display. And David, our Galaxy expert, is here in the shop to do the repair for us. So let's get to it. Of course, we're going to remove the back cover, which came off rather easily. I think the owner has already opened this smartphone before and just put the back cover with dirty or old adhesive, which actually worked on our favor, or it may be an aftermarket back cover, who knows. We're gonna unscrew everything so we can get access to the internals, because everything that you see here will be transferred to the new display. So the Galaxy Note 10 displays are rather expensive, but when you factor in that you are also gonna replace the back cover, the side cover or the housing itself with the new display, the front of your device is gonna look brand new again after the screen replacement. So we have removed the daughter board, some flex cable, the wireless module, and now we're going to remove the SIM card tray so we can detach the main board from the housing. So the Note 10 is rather primitive compared to the more modern Galaxy Notes, but I think the Galaxy Notes has been discontinued as a product line on Samsung, but they are typically the bigger models with the S Pen. And we have here the replacement display, and the main board is already in. Battery is also transferred. So the amazing thing about these devices is you can just replace the display, you can replace the battery as long as it's good quality, and it will run for a few more years before needing another service, or it won't need another service if the display still works. So we're gonna screw in the daughter board right here at the bottom. You can also see that a lot of the components are not really integrated into large modules. So if you are starting out as a mobile phone repair technician, if you're an enthusiast who want to DIY your own repairs, then this might be quite a challenge, because there's a lot of parts to track as you disassemble the whole thing. But overall, David is making it look easy, and it may be easy for him because he's done a lot of these in many years as he's been on the business. So we're gonna screw in the cover for the daughter board and try the device. Let's test it. And of course, unsurprisingly, it works. I put in the SIM card tray with the SIM card. Let's see if it boots up. We're gonna plug in the charging cable, see if it's charging. And if it does all those things, then it's gonna be ready for the client. And look at that. Samsung really knows how to make good looking displays, and this Note 10 is no exception. Edge to edge, top to bottom. Cameras are all working. That's David there. That's his workspace. Buttons all working. I'm just gonna close it up with the final piece of the puzzle, the back cover. We're gonna put fresh layers of liquid glue just to keep it in place and not just fall off, because I believe the client will not use a case on this one, so it might be good to keep it intact. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. And as always, take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. This Galaxy Note 10 is now fixed. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.